Good morning everyone, welcome back to another FIFA career mode rebuild on my channel. Today we're rebuilding Real Sociedad before the new season. If you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get viral. We're so close to 250 subscribers, so it would mean a lot if you guys subscribe to the channel. And yeah, going to the end of the season. We make Europa League final, but we lose to Napoli. We get a Simpson next season. And I signed Bruno Fernandes from Man United. As a team, second in our group. We're top of the league. Going into one more season. It might be the end of the rebuild in this season as well, as we signed Pau Torres from Aston Villa. We're fourth. Got Man City in the Champions League. And yeah, we reached the final against Atletico Madrid. We're going to play the final, as always. So 1-0 to us at half time. And yeah, this is the end of the video. If you guys have been enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get viral. Next week we're going to be going to Switzerland. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that Mountain Life is back next week. Leave a like and subscribe, and let's get viral.